Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markar and today's date is 23 November 2021. Today I have discussed inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all properties and behaviors of parent object. It is an important part of OOPS. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. You can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inherits represent the ISA relationship, which is also known as parent-child relationship. For method overriding is used in inheritance in Java. Terms used in inheritance. First one is a class. A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which objects are created. Second one is a subclass or child class. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called as derived class or a extended class. Third one is superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called as base class or parent class. Fourth one is reusability. As the name of specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. When you can create new class, you can use the same field and methods already defined in the previous class. Syntax of Java inheritance is class subclass name extends to superclass name. The extend keywords indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing class. The meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherits is called as parent class or superclass, and the new class is called as child class or subclass. For example, employee and programmer. Programmer is the subclass and employee is the superclass. The relationship between two classes is programmer is a employee, ISA employee. It means that programmer is a type of employee. Types of inheritance in Java. On the basis of class, there can be three types of inheritance in Java: single, multi-level and hierarchical. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through inheritance only. We will learn about interfaces later. First one is multi-level inheritance. For example, when there is a chain of inheritance, it is also known as multi-level inheritance. As you can see in the example, baby dog class inherits the dog class and which again inherits the animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherits a single class, it is also known as hierarchical classes inherits. In the example, dog and cat classes inherits the animal class. So there is a hierarchical inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java because of to reduce the complexity and simplify the language. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Consider a scenario where A, B and C are three classes. The C class inherits the same method and you can call it from child class object. There will be ambiguity to call the method of A and B class. Since compile time errors are better than runtime error. Java readers compile time error if you inherit two classes. So whether you have same method or different, there will be compile time error. Thank you.